In the last lesson, we created our professional doc string that explains exactly what our fourth dimensional entity interaction simulator is all about. Now it's time to give our program some real power by importing the modules it needs to work its magic. Let's talk about what imports actually are in Python because this is absolutely fundamental to understand. Think of Python modules like specialized toolboxes. When you install Python, you get access to an incredible library of pre-built modules, each one containing functions, classes, and variables that solve specific types of problems. These modules are written by expert programmers and have been tested by millions of developers worldwide. One of the great things about imports is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. When you import a module, you're essentially telling Python, hey, I want access to all these tools in this particular toolbox. Python then loads that module into memory and makes all of its functions and features available to your program. So let's add our first import to our 4D simulator program. We're going to import random. We need access to the random module for our 4D simulator program because when fourth dimensional entities theoretically move through our 3D space, their behavior would appear unpredictable to us 3D beings, just like how a 3D object passing through a 2D plane would seem to randomly change shape to 2D creatures living in that plane. The random module gives us tools to simulate this unpredictability. We can generate random positions for our entities in 4D space, random movement patterns, random manifestation types, and even random success rates for communication attempts with these higher dimensional beings. But even though we're using random numbers, the random module actually uses sophisticated mathematical algorithms called pseudo-random number generators. These create sequences of numbers that appear random but are actually deterministic and reproducible if you know the starting seed. This means our scientific simulation can be both unpredictable and repeatable for research purposes. The random module contains functions like random.choice to pick random items from lists, random.uniform to generate random decimal numbers within ranges, and random.randint for random integers. We'll use a number of functions from the random module as we build our entity database and simulate how 4D beings move through space. Next, let's write our next line of code.